Guangzhou Amos Biological Technology Company Limited, established in 2015 year, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service of cosmetic tools and products. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customers' satisfaction. On the one hand, in recent years, our factory has introduced a series of automatically equipment and machine, which can help to improve our production quantity and make production time much less than before. On the other hand, most products has kept stock in factory in order to meet the market-required small MOQ. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, which helps selling well in all cities and provinces around China and all over the world. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Western Europe, East Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, etc. For now, we have been working with some well-known brands, welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalogs or seeking engineering assistance for your application, please just feel free to contact us about your sourcing requirement. Welcome for your arrival.